So hey everyone, this is Side Chris, come back with another new video. So today in this video we will talk about how to install Oxygen OS 15 new system launcher on your any OnePlus phone. If you're using OnePlus phone, then you can watch this video. Before starting this video, if you haven't subscribed this channel, then subscribe it and like this video. You also can join my Telegram for a download link. I will provide download Telegram link in description. You can download join from there. In this system launcher, you can notice this type of new recent panel here. Now you can use here iOS recent taskbar in your OnePlus phone, and also you can adjust your super folder like in horizontal mode or vertical mode, or also in enlarge mode. Now you can adjust after the update. And if you want to customize super folder, then you can customize according to your choice. Like this type of customization option available after the update of system launcher. If you want to install, then how to install? First you have to join my Telegram here. I will provide a download link on my Telegram. You can easily download from there. Okay, you have to download and install the system update on your OnePlus phone. It's only for Android 15. If you installed in Android 14 and it's working, then you can comment here. And if you're facing any type of encounter and any type of bug, then how to remove this system update? Open Control Center and tap on Settings. After that, scroll down and tap on Applications, apps, and after that tap on App Management. Here you have to search here System Launcher, and you can uninstall update. After that you can use your old system launcher, and if you successfully install this system launcher and it's perfectly working on your OnePlus phone, then how to enable your iOS recent taskbar? Simply press and hold on screen, tap on More. After that scroll down here and tap on Manage Apps. After that you have to select here Stacked. After selecting state, now you can use your iOS taskbar, recent taskbar. That's all about today's video. Thanks for watching this video.